guys, Travelling Merseyside here, and welcome to day 1 of my new vlog series, Exploring Greater Manchester by Train. Now, I am still doing Exploring Merseyside, so don't worry about that, but I am doing Greater Manchester, and because I'm so amazing, I decided to print out the Greater Manchester map beforehand, and I will be visiting every single National Rail Greater Manchester stations. Unfortunately not trams on here, so probably on display somewhere is the Greater Manchester map, but yeah, so where are we going to today, Sam?
We are, well, technically Mason is off to
Ardwick.
Ardwick, yes.
Manchester Piccadilly.
Yep. I'm off to
so next station is Manchester Piccadilly. Let's go. Okay, so the first time of the series of Greater Manchester, Manchester Piccadilly has got 14 platforms. See, it's Avanti West Coast trains, Transpennine Express trains, Northern trains, Transport for Wales trains, and EMR trains. That's a lot of trains. And over there is Mayfair station, but it is obviously now abandoned. But let's have a quick look around, and I need the station selfie. But yeah, our train is leaving now, which was 185141. Right, let's get the station selfie took, Sam. Right, what we're doing right now is got Google Maps on my phone. We're trying to get to Ardwick, and very complicated right now. But
we're trying not to get hit by cars,
we're trying not to get mugged as well. So I'm gonna put this phone away. We made it to Ardwick. Well, there is a train, yes.
It is a Transpennine Express.
Oh.
2 to 11.
Here we are. We're at Ardwick. We're on the platforms at Ardwick.
It feels real good.
Yes.
Thing is, how do we know when the train's coming?
We'll see them. You can see them there. You'll be able to see them there. But yeah. Do you know what? This is my thumbnail. Sam, get in here and do like this pose. Like.
Train coming.
Where? Quickly that. Okay.
25.
25?
We get a warning.
Okay. Anyway, Ardwick, it's got 2 platforms, a northern only train. Well, it's a northern only station, and it has 2 platforms, which is also the least used and a dodgy station. Yay! This is actually like incredible to be here. Right, so we're gonna film for Sam now, so let's go.
It's also incredible.
So my dream 323 class is 323232. I was hoping that we might get a chance on riding it today. It just went past. But now I am going to set up this tripod that Sam gave me, thank you very much, and we're going to be telling like station stats and everything for this station, which I never really do, but I might do it for like the least used as well. But yeah, so let's go. What are the station stats for here?
232 a year.
So that's for 2020 to 2021. Divided by 365 is 0.6 passengers per day.
Wow.
How does that work? Anyway, there is, what is there here at Ardwick?
Okay, I'm going to list them all very quickly. Bins.
Yeah.
shelter,
Yeah.
seats,
Yeah.
signs,
Yeah.
ticket machine,
Yeah.
old ticket office,
Yes.
weird platforms, so when the train like this 323 is going to come past,
Yeah.
the bloody paving stones go. I want to say hello to this 223.
Okay, go on then. And it's a really good place to train spot. So hopefully we can come back here again once. Probably not. 323235 it is. I see what you mean. But anyway, so yeah, that's the second station of Exploring Greater Manchester by Train ticked off. But I've already got my
Selfie.
I've already got my station selfie here. Let's go back down to Manchester Piccadilly, so we'll see you back there. Okay, we got back to Manchester Piccadilly. We're on 331010, which is Sam's favourite train. And we're going over to Manchester Airport, so that's going to be my second main Manchester station being ticked off. Right, let's go to Manchester Airport. Manchester Airport, how many platforms does it have? 4 platforms, Northern, Transpennine and Manchester Metrolink trains.
They're not National Rail.
Oh, well, just Northern and Transpennine then.
Transport for Wales.
And Transport for Wales. Woo. Right, let's get the station selfie took. Okay, getting on a filthy bugger. 319369. Where are we going? Don't know. Anyway. Wigan North Western has 6 platforms, Northern trains, Avanti trains and Transpennine trains. Anything else? No, that's it. Anyway, that's also day 1 finished of my vlog series Exploring Greater Manchester by Train. I hope to see you very soon. Bye bye Avanti. I can't even see it, it's already gone. But can we see Julia's trains? Imagine. Is that Lucy? Oh no. I thought that was Lucy. 158. Oh. Anyway, I will see you next time. Bye bye.